Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of an accessory from Blippo. If you've never heard of Blippo before, they are an online store which is based in Japan, and they stock all sorts of kawaii accessories, plush toys, stationery, all that kind of thing. And if you know me and you've been following me for a while on here, you'll know that kawaii fashion is one of my absolute favorites. I take a lot of inspiration from kawaii fashion, so I'm really excited to be doing this review for you guys today. I just want to let you guys know that Blippo did gift me this item, so I just want to be 100% honest about that. So yeah, I always have to put that out there for you guys. Even though something's gifted to me or it's a sponsorship, I will always be 100% honest in my reviews. Also, stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be doing a giveaway in collaboration with Blippo, and I'm going to be giving away one of Blippo's items off their website. So stick around to the end of the video to find out how to enter. So like I said before, Blippo is a company that's based in Japan, and they stock all sorts of kawaii accessories, plush toys, stationery, all that kind of thing. And the item that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys today is from their new collection, which is the Harajuku collection. It's like a little cutesy ice cream character. It's the cutest thing ever. I'll put a little picture of it on the screen for you guys right now if you don't really know what I'm talking about right now. And in this collection they offer a multitude of things, including pencil cases, lunch boxes and bags. And I went for the bag because, as you guys know, I do a lot of outfit styling videos on my YouTube shorts, on my other social medias, so that item makes more sense for me to get because I can style it with some of my outfits. So this is the box that came in. I did have a little sneaky peek of what it looks like, but I didn't take it out of the bag or anything like that. I wanted to do that on camera. It came in quite a big box, so it's very well packaged. I also want to let you guys know that I am based in the UK, and this came from Hong Kong. This was shipped from Hong Kong, and it only took like 1 to 2 weeks. I think it took like a week from me starting this sponsorship with Blippo, so that is not long at all. That is really good. I was really impressed with how quickly it arrived because I was not expecting it to arrive that quickly. So anyway, let's get on with opening this box. So one of the first things I came across here is this little leaflet for Kawaii box, which I am actually going to be doing a review on in the next couple of weeks. This is also owned by the company Blippo. You get a lot of Blippo items in the subscription box, and I will be reviewing the subscription box for March, so keep an eye out for that. And look how well packaged it is. It's got big bubble wraps in here to keep it nice and safe and secure in transit, which is also very good. And here we are. This is the backpack. And also, just before I go on to the backpack, I got this little business card, which I thought was so cute, and it lets you know who packed your order, which I think is the cutest thing ever. Look at that. That is just so cute. I love that. And you also get a Blippo sticker, and I absolutely love stickers, so I'm definitely going to be using this, probably putting it on my laptop or something like that. I love stickers for my laptop, as some of you guys might already know if you watch some of my other videos. So here we are, the main event. This is the Harajuku backpack, and doesn't it look so cute? Let me just get it out of its plastic packaging. So here we are. I might be able to see it a little bit better without that shiny packaging over the top of it. So this is actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be one of those mini backpacks, but it's actually a full-size backpack. So if you're looking for a backpack for your kid for school, or if you go to college or uni and you're looking for a backpack, this is perfect to get because it's going to fit all your books in there. And also it has a bottle holder at the side, which I think is very useful as well. Just look at that design as well. Let me just give you a close-up of the design of the bag. That is so cute. You see what I mean? It's that little cutesy ice cream. And on the arm straps, we have the same pattern that's on the front on the arm straps, with these cutesy little kawaii designs, which I think is just adorable. It feels very sturdy and good quality fabric. Do you remember when you were at school and you used to have like your bottle or something at the bottom of your bag and it would leak? I feel like that would sustain some disaster like that, if you know what I mean, just of how sturdy the backpack is. And also we've got a handle at the top here, so look how sturdy that is. That's like padded underneath as well, so that is very good quality. So I'm trying to see how many compartments we've got here. We've got the front compartment, so you can fit all sorts of little trinket things in there, or smaller books or anything like that. And then you've got a small compartment at the front which opens out like this, and then you've got a mini compartment here which could hold like change or something like that, and it's got like this little lanyard thing on the inside so you can put your keys or something like that on there, which is like, kind of cool as well. And look here, you've got like a little secret compartment here, and it's literally just like a tiny square. I'm not sure what you put inside there, but that is something useful to have if you want to hide something small like jewelry. Yeah, jewelry would be good to put in here as like a secret compartment because it's safe and secure, and if somebody was like going through your backpack they wouldn't think to look there, if you know what I mean. It kind of molds into the background of the backpack so you wouldn't even think to look in there. And this is just the front compartment as well. Like, this isn't even the main event, which is what I'm going to be looking at right now. And this is the big compartment at the back of the backpack. Oh wow, oh wow, this is huge. Right, okay, so this is holding a lot here as well. This is the main compartment of the backpack. This is done up by Velcro, and that's a perfect place to put like books and everything like that, and it's all just secure at the back here. And also you've got a label at the back here where you can put your name as well, which is always handy when you're going to school because you don't want to lose your backpack, do you? So yeah, this is a perfect kids backpack. Also, I don't want to limit it just to kids because I love cutesy things like this, and it's right up my alley. Just the colors, I just love pastel colors, and I love the design. I just love cutesy things, so I'm not going to limit it just for kids, but this is the perfect kids backpack for like going back to school, or if you're just looking for a new backpack for your kid. I'm honestly so impressed with it. It's got loads of different compartments to it and everything as well, like those little compartments on like not even the main part of the bag, like it's this small compartment here at the front. It has loads of little compartments that you can like utilize for different types of things. And also another thing about it is that it's got adjustable straps at the back here, which is always great. That's always good for these types of bags. Everybody's a different size, everybody has different preferences for how they want their backpack to fit at the back. Some people like to have it tight on their back so they know it's not going to fall off. Some people like to have it on looser so it's not like invading their space, so that's always good to have these adjustable straps on the back. And I can't wait to create an outfit with it and just sort of play around with the colours, pick a few colours out here and create a cute little outfit to go with my new Harajuku backpack. I am so impressed with this, and thank you so much to Blippo for gifting this to me. I can't wait to create a cute little outfit with this. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I don't really do unboxings that much on my channel, so let me know if you like this video, and I might consider doing some more unboxings like this because it's sort of a different sort of set out to my usual videos. I'm usually somebody who does like try on hauls and stuff like that, so it's not really my usual type of video. But you guys let me know if you want to see more videos like these. And also, if you did like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up because it does help out my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in plus size fashion, beauty or makeup, then subscribe to my channel because that is everything that I do here. If you're interested in getting your very own Harajuku backpack, then you're in luck because I'm going to be doing a giveaway in collaboration with Blippo, and it's so easy to enter. There's going to be a link in my description box below. It's a Gleam competition, and if you've never done Gleam competitions before, it basically asks you for your name and email address, and then you have to do a couple of things like follow Blippo on their social medias and stuff like that, and you'll get a couple of entries in for the giveaway. So that link is going to be in my description box below, and it also should tell you when the giveaway is ending on the giveaway too. I'm not exactly sure myself when the giveaway is going to end because Blippo is the one who set up the Gleam competition, but it should say on the actual website when the giveaway is ending, so you'll know that for sure. Or alternatively, if you can't wait until the end of the giveaway, or if you're watching this way in the future and the giveaway is finished and you just want to know where I got the Harajuku backpack from, there'll be a link in the description box below to the Harajuku backpack and the Blippo website as well. And if you want to check out any of my other social medias, including Snapchat, Facebook or Instagram, then there'll be a link to my link tree in the caption below for you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!